The scale of what Moneybox offers can be overwhelming, but I think that ultimately just gives you more scope for you to use it in a way that suits you. Hi guys, Louise here with our latest, greatest and brutally honest review of savings and investing app Moneybox. Take a look. Moneybox hit the scene in 2016 with its unique investing feature, which helps people start investing with the cash from their spare change roundups, and has since morphed into a super comprehensive savings and investing app. And the app is super clear and easy to use, making this a great shout for beginner investors and savers. Now, when I say Moneybox is super comprehensive, I mean it. The app offers multiple money tools and accounts across investing, savings, home buying, and retirement. So strap in while I take you through the key features of each. If you're strapped for time, click here and follow the link to check out our Moneybox short, covering all the key details in under 1 minute. Moneybox offers 3 investment accounts: a general investment account, a stocks and shares ISA, and a junior stocks and shares ISA. You can start investing with as little as £1 with access to major US stocks via the Stocks and Shares ISA, tracker funds and ESG funds, or environmental, social and governance funds for investors who might want to add some social responsibility to their portfolio. Moneybox has made life simple for beginner investors with starting options. Starting options are 3-tiered ready-made portfolios organised by risk level from cautious to balanced to adventurous. Intermediate or experienced investors can graduate to more DIY investments and custom allocations when they're ready. Additional investing features include the option to automatically invest money from your spare change roundups pot and payday boosts, where you can set your app to invest a fixed amount of money each month after payday. When it comes to savings, Moneybox offers a cash ISA, a simple saver, which is basically an easy access savings account, and a range of notice accounts from 32 days to 120 days. With a notice account, you have to give Moneybox a heads up that you want to access your savings. You'll then be able to withdraw your funds after the notice period on your account, so for example after 32 or 120 days. Interest rates on Moneybox's notice accounts vary. Typically, the longer your notice period, the better the interest rate on your savings. If you want to use the Roundups feature, just spend on your connected card and Moneybox will start saving your spare change. With Moneybox, home buyers can take advantage of a cash lifetime ISA or LISA, a stocks and shares LISA, free mortgage advice, a mortgage calculator, and a home deposit calculator. A lifetime ISA is a type of individual savings account designed to help people save for either their first home or their retirement. Every tax year you can deposit up to £4,000 into your account, and the government will top up your balance for free by 25%. So you could get a free £1,000 every tax year if you deposit the full 4K. LISAs typically penalise you 25% for withdrawing money for any other purpose than buying your first home or your retirement. This sounds fair, but it means you'd end up with less than you put in. For example, 4K plus your 25% bonus leaves you with an account balance of 5K, but a 25% penalty from 5K leaves you with £3,750. So it's always helpful to have some savings easily accessible, even if a LISA is the right product for you. With a cash LISA, you will earn interest on your balance. With the investment LISA, instead of earning interest, you make money from your investments performing well. Moneybox Mortgages offers free mortgage advice and support from a variety of experts, including mortgage brokers, via the app, over chat, phone, or email. And finally, when it comes to retirement, Moneybox offers a personal pension in the form of a SIP or self-invested personal pension. You can consolidate your old pensions into your Moneybox pension, and Moneybox should be able to claim basic tax relief for you, depending on your tax bracket. Moneybox also offers a cash or stocks and shares LISA, which, as I said before, can be used to save for your first home or your retirement, and a pension calculator to help work out how much you need to save and how much you'll have for retirement. Other key features of Moneybox include its Learn Hub, where you can learn about investing and personal finances, and more about what all of its accounts do. And the app's Time Machine tool, where you can get a projection of your finances if you save and invest with Moneybox. Fortunately, Moneybox has fairly simple fee structures for their 700 products. Moneybox charges a monthly subscription fee of £1 to hold an investment account with them, including a junior ISA and your stocks and shares LISA. However, you get your first 3 months free of charge. No matter how many accounts you hold, the subscription fee stays at £1. So if you have multiple investment accounts within your Moneybox account, you'll still only pay £1 per month. There is also a monthly platform fee of 0.45% plus annual fund provider fees charged directly by your fund providers. If you're buying and selling US stocks, there's no commission, but there is a 0.45% currency conversion fee. There is no fee to open or maintain a savings account with Moneybox. Instead, they may take a fee or a portion of interest from the third-party bank where your money is held. But the interest rate you see in the app is still the interest rate you will get, and it tends to be competitive compared to the rest of the market. With your cash LISA, there is also no fee to open or maintain your account. Again, Moneybox may take a fee or a portion of interest from the third-party bank where your money is held. When it comes to your Moneybox pension, you will be charged a 0.45% platform fee on funds up to £100,000 and 0.15% on funds over £100,000, plus fund provider fees if they apply. Moneybox has serious Monzo vibes in that the app is very clear and simple to use. As you can see, it has a nicely designed colour scheme and graphics, and setting up new accounts and adding a linked card are all very intuitive, so unlike other apps I've used, you won't be mincing around the app tabs for hours just to do one simple thing. When our experts reviewed Moneybox against similar products on the market, looking at all the key features, fees and charges, etc., they awarded it a very respectable 4.1 out of 5. At first glance, the scale of what Moneybox offers can be overwhelming, but I think that ultimately just gives you more scope for you to use it in a way that suits you. I opened a Moneybox account just for the cash LISA because I wanted an app that wasn't complicated, and also I didn't want to pay an account fee. When it came to withdrawing the amount, Moneybox's FAQs pointed me straight in the right direction, and their support team worked really quick at getting me all the information I needed to send over to my conveyancer. So even though I have only used Moneybox for one product, I would 100% go back to the app for another product in the future because of its simplicity, how easy it was to use, and how good the customer support was when I needed it. Also, linking up your card and making ad hoc payments was super easy. It's a small thing, but it just makes life so much easier. To read our full review of Moneybox on finder.com, click here and follow the link below. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for more videos like this one. Until next time, thanks for watching.